Hey guys, welcome to Crypto Command. Today I would like to discuss a new cryptocurrency called KIN. Currently, there is a KIN token distribution event that starts on September 9th. So registration is currently still open. So what is KIN? KIN is a decentralized ecosystem of digital services for daily life. So KIN was developed by Kick Interactive. This is a company that is originally a non-blockchain company that has a chat app called Kick. So this is an app for iOS and Android that has a community of 50 million monthly active users. And now Kick wants to move from being a non-blockchain company to one that is integrating blockchain assets into their business. So this is particularly notable because as a company, Kick has had some major financial backers in the past, including groups like Union Square Ventures. They have a notable venture capitalist, Fred Wilson. And so this is showing some of the movement of a lot of institutional money that's now moving toward cryptocurrency. And so ahead of this token distribution, Kick actually raised $50 million in a pre-sale ahead of its token sale for KIN. So this is an interesting article on VentureBeat that gives some of the details about this. But this $50 million pre-sale distributed almost 500 billion tokens to some other institutional groups that included Blockchain Capital, Pantera Capital, Polychain Capital. So a lot of groups are backing this technology as it comes into play. The token distribution will end up being a large number of tokens, 1 trillion tokens, and they're looking to raise a total of 125 million. That includes the 50 million that was raised in this pre-sale. So what is the point of creating these tokens to integrate with Kick, and how will that work? So if you go to the Kick website, you will see that they actually have some information there on how this integration will take place. And there are 4 main aspects that they're looking for by adding the KIN cryptocurrency into their chat app. So first of all, the KIN cryptocurrency will be an ERC20 token. So this will be built on that ecosystem and will serve as a basis of interoperability. So this integration of KIN into Kick as a second point will give the ability for a currency to be exchanged. I think one way to think about this might be the way that Steam is currently being used. So instead of having to have advertising on the chat app the way that Facebook Messenger or other chat apps are using advertising, the cryptocurrency will be a means of exchange. They've actually been experimenting with this method through Kick points for a few years now before actually adopting a cryptocurrency. And they state that they have had 4 times the transaction volume of Bitcoin in this system, which is pretty remarkable. And that's just based on having a few ways for users to earn and spend the Kick points within the app. So The next thing that they are going to do to try to really drive adoption of this is they're going to have a Kin rewards engine. And this is for developers to want to have an incentive to use Kin. So they're going to be giving away Kin every day to developers that help drive transactions. And then the last thing they're going to do is they're going to create the Kin Foundation as a way to oversee and protect the community. A lot of ICOs have been organized in this fashion where there is oversight of identity in the system and oversight of the transaction system. If you're looking for more details, there's more information on this Kik website. It's really useful. So this information is all available through the Kin website as well, kin.kik.com, and I can put the link in the description below. You can see these partners are all included here. There's a further description about the whole program. If you go to this website, you can also see the people that are involved with Kin. It's a really incredible team with diverse backgrounds, a lot of expertise that they bring to this. So this has been a team that's been able to raise funding in the non-cryptocurrency world and now trying to further this by moving to the blockchain. It's a really interesting model, one of the first major groups that has done this. They also have a really nice registration guide that you can access through kin.kik.com. And this walks you through exactly how to register for this token distribution if you are interested in participating. Just want to state that I'm not trying to give any financial advice through this video. This is just an intriguing technology that is one way that companies may try to move into the cryptocurrency space and a new way for companies to seek fundraising. So this looks like an interesting technology to watch. It'll be interesting to see how this gets adopted and how successful this token distribution will be as they try to raise additional funds for Kik and their chat app project. So thanks, guys. I'm interested in what you think about the Kin token. If you have any comments, please leave them below. If you like this video, please give a thumbs up. And as always, subscribe. And until next time, thanks for watching Crypto Command.